On in 5, 4, 3.
All right. So what am I supposed to say?
Good job, man. I'm gonna do the delivery. We have Refrescos Country Club. La bebida de distinction.
Wow.
Frambuesa. Frambuesa? Frambuesa. Buesa. Frambuesa. Raspberry soda? Soda. All right, let's try it out. Oh! Dominicano. Hey! Shout out my Dominicano hermanos. That shit crack. That shit crack.
It's good for a drink?
I don't like raspberry anything. Or maybe I do.
Yeah, that thing's making me thirsty right now, son. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby.
It is, as they say, delicioso.
Okay, let's see what my guy Jorgito got to say.
Let's get it popping. You already know this is in our blood veins.
I'm sorry.
What? Hold on.
Mark, just turn the volume up?
Yep.
Just turn the volume up? Okay.
Okay, and we're back.
Oh, trying out the good old country club. Born and raised with this. Every family house party you can ever think of, no matter what, dinner is there on the table. So let's give it a childhood memories.
Freaking review. Give him a review.
Refreshing.
Refreshing, okay. That's what's up, bro.
All right.
I can't wait to have you back.
Can't wait to have you back on the food channel. Oh, hold on, Murphy, you gotta give me the look around though. The classic look around, you know that. Yep. Oh shoot. Oh, whoa. Oh damn, there's more than one this time.
That shit was crazy. Honestly, I give this an 8 with confidence.
Nice.
I don't want to say 8 because I feel like there probably is something that's better. I don't know what, but this is good. It's fresh and refreshing, but I already feel it in my stomach. It's soda. I'm not a big soda guy. If this was like just straight juice though,
oh, probably fire.
Ooh, they need to sell the straight juice that they make this out of.
Okay, what you got? Out of 10, what'd you give it?
I honestly, 10 out of 10.
First time, let's try what this Refrescos Country Club from Frambuesa is about. Yo, this is, like George said, this is a classic. Fire drink. Definitely a 10 out of 10, man. This is, listen, anything that says Dominican on it, you see that right there? It says Dominicano. Let's get a 10 out of 10, immediately. Off rip. This has been another episode of First Timers on the Jam channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to share this with your friends. If they like this, if you have friends that drink this, make sure you tell them, send them to the channel, tell them to watch this video. See if they agree. Peace.